Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marine HK 416. This customer's gun was dropped off for some upgrades, and we have got a list here. We've installed Eagle 6 upgraded mainspring. We've got the Prometheus ball bearings 6mm. We've got the Prometheus hard gears in 20:1. We've got the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring, the FPS spring guide, FPS piston head. We've got the FPS carbon fibre piston, with the FPS cylinder head, FPS cylinder in a Type D. We've got the FPS carbon fibre tappet plate. We've got the FPS air nozzle, and we've got a Jeftron Mosfet installed. So any other parts would have been inside there already, which I believe was a warhead high-speed motor that was provided by the customer. Yep, it was. Obviously it's already got a CTR stock, so we've done wiring accordingly, and I think that's about it. So we've got 287 when measured on 2/8, 341 on 0.2s, and we're now here for a stress test, just to make sure that there's obviously no sort of reliability issues or anything. There you go, all tested. We hope everything's to your satisfaction, and the build, you're going to enjoy it. Hopefully you have fun. Thank you.